Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to install Tkinter in Python, Tkinter for Python Easy tutorial. So we're going to guide you through the process of installing this, and Tkinter is a standard GUI or graphical user interface library for Python and is included already with the most Python installation. So let's get started. Now, the first thing that we need to do in here is to install Python onto your device. So just head onto their official website, which is python.org/download/. So just download in here Python, and then right after, you'll just need to make sure also that it is already installed correctly. During the installation, ensure that you check the box that says add Python to path and just follow the setup instructions for that. So you should be able to install it correctly already, and we'll just have to verify that if it is correct here onto our Visual Studio Code. So click here onto the three dots, click on terminal and new terminal, and we're gonna click here onto this or add this line Python -- version so that we should be able to identify if it has been installed. So if it shows you the current version that you have is installed already. So Tkinter comes with Python, so these steps confirm you that Python is already installed as well as Tkinter. But we could verify further if Tkinter is already installed together with this by running this following command. So python-m.tkinter. So if Tkinter is installed, you should be able to see the small window in here that would appear showing a simple Tkinter interface. If you see an error of the window does not appear, then you need to go ahead and make sure to reinstall correctly your Python. Tkinter is typically included already with Python installations on Windows. If it's missing, you may need to reinstall that one onto your end. Now you could verify it again using a Python file in here. We're going to create a new one. Let's put that one here under test. Click onto this icon to add a new file, and we're going to name this test.tkinter.py. So if you're creating a Python file, just make sure to add .py onto its last part so that it should be identified as a Python file. Click onto enter, and let's add in the code. So I have your sample code. Let's just paste this one out. As you can see, we have this simple Tkinter window. Let's save that, and let's try to run this here onto the terminal. To run a Python file here onto the terminal, just go ahead and type in Python and the file name, click onto enter, and as you can see, it did created us a window displaying the text hello Tkinter, and if you see this window, it is installed and working correctly. And that is just basically it, how you install Tkinter and verify that it's working with Python. Tkinter is a great library for building graphical user interfaces in Python. If this tutorial has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.